Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. So you guys, today I'm having fried chicken from Hardee's, aka what is it, like Carl's Jr. or something like that. And I got a strawberry milkshake. I got an 8-piece, but I'm not about to sit there and eat no 8-piece of chicken. Mahogany got her chicken over here, and of course I got my Dr. Pepper. And I got some mashed potatoes with gravy. I should have told them no gravy because I don't usually like that gravy. Very salty. I don't like that gravy. You want to try it? No? And I got some coleslaw to mix with my mashed potatoes. I know, I'm weird. It's like my favorite. And I got some biscuits. You guys, it is the last. It's the last Sunday of 2018. Like, that's crazy. This year has went by so fast. Like, incredibly fast. She's supposed to be eating. It's too good. Oh, that milkshake is delicious. I don't usually eat their biscuits. I only eat their biscuits if I have like some jelly, but these are the buttery. It tastes good too. You want a piece of biscuit, boo? This biscuit is actually pretty good. You gotta taste the gravy. Actually tastes pretty good. The flat is my favorite part of chicken. Mm-hmm. I don't know why, but I prefer the flash. Mm. You know, I've been seeing those videos going around of like people's weird combinations of food. Cold salt and mashed potato. This is my weird combination. It's so good though. Like, I love it. The lipstick coming off on my nails. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. It's just falling apart. Y'all see me moving. I'm sitting in a rolling chair. That bird stuck in my throat. Feel the skin. I'm like, whew, I'm stuffed. good. Please excuse that noise in the back. I can't eat that. I'll eat it later. Cause I'm full. Y'all comment down below. What is your weird combinations of food? I'm kind of curious. I might even also do a video of things you guys comment down below. Trying them myself and see how they taste. Yeah. I need a wipe. One more. Y'all know the routine. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also, hit that subscribe button down below and your post notification bell. I will see you guys in another video.